friends, Running Kimono here. So we're talking about the Dollar General clearance event that's going to be starting this Friday, August the 28th, and going into the first week of September. I did go to Dollar General the last 2 days, in and out of the clearance section, looking for displays with digital coupons, all fresh and new merchandise to show you. As Friday rolls around, we're going to have even more stuff to talk about that's going to be on clearance once we see it reflect in the app. Again, the clearance event will be taking place every store in the US Friday the 28th right through the following week, which is September the 3rd. I recommend that you scout your store. In this video, we're looking at the items at 50% off price or 50% off with coupons. And remember that first Friday, often items do not scan properly at the register. You really have to be on your A game and pay attention. Other aspects of the clearance event will include the clearance section, the POG orange tags, which I'm going to show you in a quick second. And then all these other like home categories, but it's always select, so they get to pick what they put on clearance. Don't forget to scan everything to make sure that you're grabbing the right stuff. As Friday rolls around, your store will have like probably posters and stuff in the clearance section or little cutouts towards the front. And this is what you're looking for. Some stores will be 70% off, but most will be 50%. Purposes of this video, we're looking at merchandise at 50% off. I believe because this is running into a full week, this is the one from the last one as well. That's why the dates are wrong. Sometimes these print at stores for the Saturday specific, or you will get a digital booster. And then I think the following Monday the 31st, we're going to have a 5 off 25 for the whole week, which they're trying to get people into the store. So you can only figure out why they're having a clearance event every month. And this as well, I think their numbers are down and they're trying to get anyone in the store, including their favorite couponers. As there's been so many penny lists, if your store has those gray totes that show up from the back and they bring them to the front, I would definitely peek through them because there's probably a lot of penny items. And I have a lot of penny videos from the last couple weeks. You might want to check it out. I will link them at the very end because often, a couple times I've found maybe 200 penny items during a clearance event. They brought a tote from the back to the front, didn't go through it. They just left it at the front on a table and I hit the big bonanza. So it's always good to know, like, is that hair tie part of it? Just so you have the videos linked at the very end. A lot of this is somewhat guesswork as well. They have a lot of summer food, and as summer is coming to an end, I'm wondering if a lot of this food will be 50% off. A couple years ago, they actually did it during the clearance event, and it would be really nice as well. There are 2 different types of summer Kool-Aid jammers. Sharkleberry Fin and the Kool-Aid Kool-Aid. They're still $2.95 right now, but IBOTTA has $1 back and then the app has 75-cent cash back. One or the other, you can't get both, obviously. Obviously, IBOTTA is a little bit better. But after everything's said and done, if this is in fact part of it, it would make these 72 cents each. So this is one of these wild cards we're going to have to scan on Friday and see like what's the price. And it's Friday the 28th around 3 or 4 in the morning. Everything will change in the app. If you scan this right now, it's $2.95 and you can't go shopping on Thursday early hoping that it'll switch prices. It has to be the day of, and it's like 3 or 4 in the morning it changes. A lot of this cute green dot stuff, end of summer stuff, if something catches your fancy, definitely scan. Because there's a lot and I don't think a lot of it's selling. Okay, so for those of you that are curious, what is POG? Some stores, if the employees are on top of things, they will hang these little stickers that say 10%, 25, 50, whatever it might be. And on Friday the 28th, that becomes an additional 50% off of whatever the price of that Suave lotion is. So currently it's $3.38. Starting on Friday, it's going to be $1.69. So hopefully that gives you guys an idea. And we're doing the math at a 50% off store. Before we dive into the matchups, if you guys could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up or hype it, I would be so grateful. 2 days in and out of stores trying to find fresh new visuals, not old stuff from last March. A lot of effort went into this video. So if you can like it, I would be so grateful. Okay, so let's talk about a lot of cold and flu allergy stuff is part of this. So you're going to have to walk through those regular aisles. Most stores didn't pull. On Friday the 28th, this item that's 11.81, as you could see, 50% off. That's how it'll look in the app. This was loadable a couple weeks back. It's a $5 off. So it's either going to be 91 cents or 55 cents, depending what your market is. 91 or 52, pardon me. As you can see at this store, it's priced for $14.75, but in the app, it's ringing up 11. An item that was not pulled, that is on clearance or POG. And like with that $5 digital, if you can load it, it makes it so cheap. And here's the UPC, guys, so you can track it down. And every store I went to, it wasn't pulled in the clearance section or even tagged POG. It was just like in the regular section, which is really weird. This Arm & Hammer Powerfully Clean is ringing up for $8.55. There is a $2 peely on some of the bottles, dropping this down to $2.27 for 110 loader. And this is what the coupon's looking like. You would get the cashier to scan it at checkout. And I know I've seen these at Walmart as well, but I've also seen them at the Dollar General. And here's the UPC. It's either the 105 loader or the 110 loader. This is one we're going to have to double, triple check on Friday. And sometimes things don't ring up properly until the following Sunday of a clearance event, which is really weird. So the 30th. It's weird, guys, but it happens. As you can see, POG stickers on a lot of the General Mills, Kellogg, Post cereal. Some stores that are very busy will not pull these. So, yep, we're just going to talk quickly about the pricing. We have currently $1 off 2 or $1 back when you buy 2 cash back. So one or the other, you won't get both, unfortunately not. But it shakes it out to $2.45 for the 2 or $1.22 each. A lot of these are like weird, like this one's called birthday cake flavors. Most stores did a really good job pulling these. This one's called Berry Swirl. So it's not your traditional, the Lucky Charm flavors. I'll show you the UPCs in a quick second. But if you can track down 2, and many stores had these in the clearance section or they had them pulled. So there must have been a memo to say, hey, pull all this stuff. But it's very, very heavy on food. If you want to do this on Saturday with a 5 off 25, bring a pad of paper and pen so your math is lining up perfectly. You don't want any math mistakes. But food is so expensive right now that, this would be a great item to pick up. And this is also a General Mills cereal, so it's working with the cashback or that digital coupon, and it's this Trix. And here is the UPC, guys. We also have the Post, which is a different company. It's called Golden Crisps. I remember back in the day, I used to have this puffed wheat cereal, $1.72. Here is the UPC. It was really good. I had a friend that used to put brown sugar on it too to liven up the flavors, but haven't had this in a very long time. And then we also have the Frosted Flakes, the strawberry milkshake. That seems like a lot for $1.72. Maybe you might have peely coupons. Possibly. It might make it cheaper, maybe 72 cents. I've seen those before at Walmart for the Kellogg cereal, but maybe it won't apply to these specialties. I don't know. And now we have this $1 off 2, these El Paso kits. Load this one. I'm so sorry, guys, I didn't get a better photo than this, but my phone sometimes acts up. These are $3.25 for these 10-count soft taco kits. Make sure they're not expired either. After that digital coupon, it's $2.25 for the 2 or $1.12 each. If you're trying to cook for a larger family, you would have 20 soft tacos in a kit. It probably has like the seasoning and a couple other things, but that is excellent price point. This honey cornbread for $1, not a bad price. I'm not even going to try pronouncing that. What is it? Croustier or I don't know. Crusties, I don't know. But $1 for that. And it has a pretty long expiry date, I think, into next year. I know this item has been part of remodels. It is the Oscar Mayer Real Bacon Bits, so it'd be $1.62. It does expire in October, so before you buy every single packet. Definitely double, triple check those expiry dates because you don't want something that will, especially a cured bacon bit going bad in your stockpile. We have the Texas Pete for 75 cents. These are smaller bottles. I remember when I first started penny shopping like 10 years ago, the bottle was triple the size. And for 90 cents, we have some of the Clover Valley, which is the Dollar General brand salad dressings. There were a couple different flavors. I think it was Russian and Thousand Island. This larger Splenda, sorry, it's all crinkled, but $1.22 if you like to bake or you like this in your sweet tea. Not a bad price point. And for $3.37, this is one item I would get with the 5 off 25 because $3.37 is a lot unless you need some coffee like right away. And canned corn for 55 cents, very good price point. Lots of the Del Monte was in the last couple clearance events too. I wonder if they're discontinuing that line from the Dollar General. The Kool-Aid Pool-Aid with this 50-cent digital. There are some summer designs of the Dixie plates. If they go as part of this clearance event, it might go on Sunday the 30th or on Friday the 28th. I don't know. But with that 50-cent coupon, it would make this pack $1.62, which is definitely a stock up price. That 50-cent coupon applies one time. So just remember that if you think you're going to stock up on 8,000 of them, you would need 8,000 accounts, which nobody has anymore. But the last clearance event, I think the Dollar General brand cleared out, but not the Dixie. And I know a lot of people prefer Dixie. Now we have a free item with this $2 coupon. You are going to find this item in the clearance section. That's where I always found it. It's either the tweezers or a little tool to shave down your cuticles. This would be $1.90. After that $2 coupon, you're paying tax, one per account. These tweezers are very long, so if you have arthritis, they're a very good because you're not pinching it with a little teeny tiny one. They're longer. And we have a 5 off of 2 for the Garnier hair dye. There's lots of hair dye right now clearancing out, and if you could track down 2 of these, it would be $4.75 for 2. With the 5 off 25, that's how I would make this happen. And I love any sort of dye box, the conditioner. It's really, really magical, especially if you have very fine and knotty hair. And then still down that aisle with brushes and combs and stuff, 80 cents for this friend. I know this was part of a remodel or was on a remodel list. So whatever's on remodel lists always end up on clearance for whatever reason. We have some Huggies. As the week marches on, maybe we'll get a digital coupon, or next week we will. $4.95 for this bag of 38 diapers. The Vaseline Radiant for $2.25. I would love to see a $2 coupon to make this 25 cents. That would make me really happy. And then more lotion includes the Jergens Hydrating Coconut. That's Pog as well for $2.06. I'd love a coupon for this friend. Wouldn't that be nice? And the Swiffer mops from last time, we had a $5 digital making this 62 cents. That home mailer from P&G does not scan for this product, in case you were wondering. And these chapsticks for $1.47. If you're doing a $25 basket, you need a last odd or a last end. This would be an ideal item to throw in. And also we have the crisp apple. Still finding this a lot at the register or towards the checkout for 57 cents starting on Friday the 28th. Are you guys excited for the clearance event? Let me know in the comments down below, yes or no. And we also have this dollar digital. This toothpaste has been in the last couple, but I'm still finding it at stores. It's the larger tube of just the regular Crest cavity or maximum cavity protection. It's going to be 80 cents. As we get these for 16 cents or less at the pharmacy, unless I'm putting this in a 5 off a 25 basket, I would pass on it. That's it for this video. Penny videos linked right here. Check it out, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.